In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by users for their stay. Review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all this will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are facing problem in booking a room in this hotel, you may contact us by we will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any review of our upcoming hotel.